To apply the Cubist effect for a bold, abstract, and geometric photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap brush icon. Swipe the icon area to the left and then tap start. Next, swipe the style thumbnail section to the left until you find Cubist. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of the effect by dragging the slider below the style. The higher the intensity, the more fragmented, abstract, and geometric the image becomes. If you are happy with the result, tap Done button and then tap Save to save the change. As you can see, the Cubist effect has been added to your photo. As a note, the Cubist effect transforms your photo into a bold, abstract composition, adding a unique and artistic flair inspired by Cubist art. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.